Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm heading over to this place that is called Four Brothers Rocks to do some hiking. I've never really hiked before, so I thought I should make a video out of it and just to keep as a memory. It's a 40 minutes drive just to get there, and it's currently winter here in Melbourne. Now it is around 7 o'clock in the morning and it's like 0 degree out there. So as you guys can see, I am wearing a lot. I'm hoping it won't be cold anymore when we started the hike. And of course, I'm gonna bring my working project with me. It is this loose knit sweater that I'm making by myself. It's got a similar look than the cropped one I showed you guys before. I was going for a loose knit, really casual, long sleeves, high neck type of feel. So one of the elements I added was the distressed stitch. I also didn't do any ribs at the bottom or at the cuff because I wanted it to look really casual. And I also made this one longer so it would cover a little more. I'm currently working on my second sleeve here, and once I'm done with that, all I have left is the collar. So I'll bring it with me, but I don't really know how much I'll be able to do because I'll be mostly driving and hiking, but I'll bring it with me anyway because it makes me feel calm, and I hope by the end of the day I can finish that sleeve at least. So I've got my camera, battery, food and water, and my little project. Let's head out and see what's there. I'm back! I came home around 7 p.m. yesterday, and I reached my daily workout goal by like 2 p.m. in the afternoon.
Oh yes.
We actually went to 2 different sites. The view there was absolutely beautiful and it was really good to be out. I actually managed to do a little bit knitting sitting on the rock. But after I came home, I had some rest and I finished the rest of the sleeve. And now I'm working on the collar and I'm thinking I want to make the color into a turtleneck maybe. So let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on this sweater, or if you just want to learn how to make the distressed stitch. Drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to show you guys the whole process. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can reach me directly on Instagram if you have any question or for any other stuff. So yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video.